Hey!
Can I oh.
Oh, I'll give you $20 if you don't tell. Now get out!
Okay.
Okay, make sure it's on low.
Я не я, пока не выпью кофе. Жизненно. Да, все люди на 95% состоят из воды. Также я на 95% состою из кофе. И если я выпил кофе, то все, ребенок счастлив. Но если мне не дали чашечку кофе, также я адвокат. Адвокат. Типичный ты. Типичный ты. Типичный я.
My game glitched, and when did he hot a fucking tail?
Lu bayar buat nonton drama pendek?
Enggak.
Butuh VIP?
Enggak.
Ada episode yang dikunci?
Enggak ada.
Nonton drama di Melolo. Nonton gratis, cairin instan. Download Melolo sekarang. Baru buka.
Candace, are you still with us?
Day 29 of finding actually fun Roblox games. In this Roblox game, you are an animal running an animal hospital. But this is not your normal hospital. There are anomalies around, and you have to make sure none of them come in. Treat patients, perform surgeries, and make sure none of them die. There are multiple events that happen, so every shift feels different. Gather your friends now and start playing. The game name is Animal Hospital.
Why are you guys talking like that? And how come I never get the cool jobs to do?
Well, you sometimes have difficulty comprehending the complexities of certain tasks.
Huh?
You do not understand how to carry out some assignments.
What?
You don't know how to do a lot of stuff, B.
Excuse me?
You're not smart.
What? Yes, I am. I get smarter every day.
Cheese, my lady.
Salud. Pendeja, cabrona, estúpida.
Can you count to 1 million?
Daddy doesn't count, Daddy fucks.
Can you try counting to 1 million?
1 million? Daddy's got a better count. How many beers Daddy can drink before passing out?
He wasn't gonna shoot you until you shoot him! And the one that killed me! He killed you!
Please, Daddy.
I told you, when I'm finished, you can have what's left.
There won't be any left. There's never any left.
Happy Thanksgiving!
Okay, that's the works. Add that. Boom, bop, and there you go, sir.
number from 1 to 10.
Really?
Yes.
10.
10 seconds of pepper.
Hello? Home? Opening your home. Opening your home.
There's no need to be afraid of me. I don't bite.
Yeah, but do you stab?
Gucci flip flops, fucking hit you, bitch.
Gucci flip flops, fucking hit you, bitch.
Walks every day. It's so fun to play when you're in the hay, or when you go and stay.
Clementine! Get your fucking hands off my daughter, bitch! I'll kill you! Motherfucker got me fucked up!
Thank you for saving me. I was so thirsty. I was so...
Apparently, our subscriber, he said if you see an anomaly banging his head on the glass, give him a coffee, and if it's a full coffee, take 2 sips of it so you're not wasting good coffee. Okay, so let's go ahead and try that real quick. All right, so let's take 1 sip, 2 sips, and then let's give him the coffee. Oh, ask to leave. Wait, we can give him coffee to ask him to leave? Bro, I didn't even know that. Wait, the coffee made him seeming to calm down. Is he gonna leave now? Okay. Wait, that actually worked.
This is not good. I think this is the end.
Yeah, I think this is the end, bro. I think we're dead.
My name is Andrew Dingus.
Oh, shittings.
He's coming back!
You good, bro?
What the fuck was that?
Du hast mich gefragt, du hast mich gefragt, du...
I have this app where you can make your own custom emojis. Right now I'm showing you the heads. And now the mouths.
This hospital game looks harmless when you start, but the longer you go, things get weirder and weirder. You have to heal patients while rejecting or shooting the skinwalkers, all while drinking coffee to maintain your sanity. I know coffee's how I get my sanity. This game has been mega trending on Roblox, and you should go check it out. Here are the last 5 people who subscribed, and if you want a shout out, make sure you subscribe.
Screaming in public restrooms, please. in here, bitch. You fucking heard me.
This is not good. I think this is the end.
Yeah, I think this is the end, bro. I think we're dead.
My name is Andrew Dingus.
Oh, shittings.
He's coming back!
Bruh. Okay.